What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills back over here with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Nike Air Max 180 Yoon Ambush collaboration in the white colorway. So let's get into it. You got your box, Ambush, your size tag, size 13. You got Ambush on both sides, nothing on the back, standard on the bottom. I actually like this pair. I personally think it's a dope collab, dope shoe. A lot of people were calling it the wannabe Fear of Gods and whatnot, but this is a lot more different than Fear of God. Here's your outside and your inside. Your back with the big Nike going up, and then you got Ambush right there. You got your 180 bottoms, your sole, all 180s. And you got like this nylon mesh upper with your zipper. And inside here, it's basically your booty to slip your foot in. Keep your foot in there. Let's just take out the sole. How about that? Actually comes out. So, oh, look at that. Your size tag is on the insole. And so it's kind of like a leather insole. It says Ambush, and then you got your Nike swoosh. Black on the outside, doesn't have anything, doesn't say anything. It just has the size tag attached to it with the QR code. There's a QR code on there. You guys can see that. Inside it has a stamped 13 right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. When I first saw these, I was like, oh, these are actually kind of dope. I was thinking to myself, maybe I'll get a pair. So I entered a raffle for these, and I actually won. Wasn't really expecting to win because I barely ever win those type of raffles, but. And then you got Nike also on this side of the shoe. That's on the inside of the flap. Got your gray suede with your gray plastic wrapping all the way around, like so. Then you got like this off-white rubber on the midsole with your air bubble right there. What your air bubble is the same color as the midsole, but then the bottom has that like blue, clear blue sole look to it. This shoe is predominantly white, just a few hits of black on it. Black zipper. You got your the gray, obviously, like I said. It's all different materials of white. You got your mesh. You got your like your plastic. More of that plastic right here. Material. And you got your black sock liner. The other one is pretty much the same. You have all the same things. Nike, Ambush down here. So I really think these are dope. This is a size 13. I haven't even tried this on yet. I might just try this on in a few, see how it fits, and check it out. See what we're working with here, but this is it. It's also got that big swoosh. It's in white, that's why you really can't see it that well. See that white swoosh right there? Nice. But I really like these. I think that she did a really good job blending in the designer aesthetic with the 180 sole. I think it's a good look. And these also remind me a lot of like the Gary Paytons and the Dennis Rodmans as far as with the zipper and stuff like that. But then the sock liner has like that weird look to it, because it's kind of like it's a booty, but it has the holes in it. I mean, most people probably would say that this is a women's shoe, but it's not really a women's shoe, because a guy could pull this off just as well as a woman can. See that? But it's pretty dope. I like it. I'm gonna definitely throw these on and see how they fit. If 13 is too big for me, then maybe I'll just let them go, because I'm not trying to wear a shoe that I can't fit. If you guys like my new setup, comment below. Let me know how do you feel about the Yoon Ambush 180s. I think it's a dope shoe. I might not be the only one that thinks it's a dope shoe, but from the resale numbers, they're not really selling that well, so maybe it's the hype is not there or whatnot. But this white pair, if it fits, it's definitely going to be a nice summer feel, summer shoe. I'll rock these bad boys right here. If you guys like this video, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.